Here, just take that one out. Alright. Damn, dog, they're good.
Oh shit, I just threw it in the water.
I was like, what the fuck?
Whoa!
Whoa, dude. I mean, we're having fun and all, but... Hell yeah, dude, I want the tug. There's your dinner right there, dude. Call your girl. Bring it up and right now. This one. With the bay banger, dog. Hell yeah. I'll figure something out. I got something. Huh? Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw a fucking jig head, straight jig head, and then a split shot. That should be good. Yeah, hell yeah.
All I need is like 2 or 3. If we can both get that.
Yeah, hell yeah, we're good. Damn, it's soft over here. All right, our turn. Ah, hey, I got hit.
You got hit?
Yeah. You're on. What the fuck? What the fuck?
I can't even tell when they're on. I feel like I'm just stuck.
Hell yeah, get it, Jeff? I'm telling you, they got that muscle right. Hell yeah, Jeff. Yeah, I will. I'm going. You just chunk it to the middle?
Yeah.
Alright.
Just get it in that deeper zone. And then I'm like keeping my rod tip high. Anytime I feel like I might be catching something, I pop it off. Once in a while, I feel like I'm caught something.
I'm on.
Nice. Let's go, bro.
Hell yeah. Yeah, dude. The Sheepshead are here. Full in drag. Look at this. Taking it.
Let's go. That's a good one.
These fools are pulling, hell yeah. This fool got that muscle. Oh yeah. It's like a 20, 19. This is full of drag still. Look at that.
Fuck yeah, bro. Good shit.
Yeah, we're on. Hold up. Come here, boy. Shit.
Oh, that's a donkey.
First sheeper of the year. Oh man, I'm all caught up. Okay. Jesus, Jeff.
That's a fucking huge one, bro. That's a good one.
Hey, how big is he? 20? Nah, we'll get in. We'll do it later.
I was gonna say we'll measure him.
Yeah, we'll do it later. He's big though. All right.
That's definitely, that's at least one.
Yeah, we're gonna get him. We stanging him today, Jeff. Jesus, that's a big sheep. That's probably my PB, darn.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Look at that fool. Damn. Oh yeah. It's on, Jeff. Let the games begin. He said we ain't even done yet. He said we ain't even done yet. sir. I like the little jerk, that hard jerk, right? Like when they try to run.
When they go to turn.
Yeah. I like that shit. What the fuck? Yeah, that's a weird stripes, right? His stripes are gone on one side. Dig, boy, dig. Yeah. Damn, that was pretty. Hell yeah. Thanks, Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Dude, these fish are strong, dude. Second keeper sheeper of the day. Anglure jigheads. Damn, stop biting it. Stop biting it. Hey, he big. He won't let go. Let go. Let go, dude. Hey, he won't let go. Oh, there he goes. Damn, dog. I couldn't even imagine that being my finger. Hey, that's a big one. Oh, dude, we're gonna have a massive stringer, dog, if we have 6 more. Oh, you know what I did? I know. I threw it that way and I let it go that way. Oh, shit. On. Hey, it was automatic. Yeah. He took off. Yeah, for real though. They feel good too. They feel good, thank you. Shit, boy. I be taking bulls. Oh yeah. We fish tournaments. You know why, right? It's because we fish tournaments. Third keeper sheeper of the day. Let's go, baby. Fourth keeper of the day. Foul hooked him. Tanks. Look at that fool. Jesus. That's my PVC preference. Y'all had him like this? Hey, look. He raised him up when I touched him. Crazy. Hey, look, he spiked him. It feel big. Yeah. Want this one? Here's your keeper. That one feels good.